Toasted tea detox tea. In modern societies, it's more difficult to breathe fresh air than to expose yourself to all sorts of pollutants. These toxic substances, when inhaled or ingested, enter our bloodstream and get stored in almost every cell of our body, causing them to rupture or mutate at some point in reaction to the intruders. No matter how we strive to veer away from these toxins we know are harmful for us, we can't dismiss the fact that it is part of modern living. Is there an escape to this? Unfortunately, the answer is no, unless you're willing to give up your dream job and live in the wilds like the middle of the Amazon or in the forests of Tanzania, where you become neighbors with chimpanzees or tigers. But don't sink into depression. There are various detox methods to purge your body of toxins. If you want to skip on being a vegetarian for your entire life, drinking detox teas is an excellent means to experiencing short-term but constant body cleansing. Detox teas are made of natural and organic plants and herbs that have detoxifying properties. These herbs support proper functioning of the excretory organs, the liver, kidney, intestines, skin, and lungs. You can purchase detox teas available commercially or make your own. When buying, remember to read the ingredients list so you are assured that it can help you achieve better health and not do otherwise. Most ingredients of detox teas have holistic properties promoting optimum cleansing and health. Detox tea ingredients. Ingredients classified as blood purifiers are sarsaparilla root, red clover, and yellow dock. Aside from purifying the blood, these ingredients likewise promote blood circulation and other organs. Milk thistle seeds and dandelion roots help protect the liver, gallbladder, and spleen. Burdock is known to neutralize and excrete toxins from the body and promotes proper functioning of the kidneys. Hibiscus flower is an herbal plant used in ancient Egypt to give relief to stomach ailments. Fenugreek seed supports lung functions in many ways. Echinacea angustifolia is a cleanser for the lymphatic system and strengthens the body's defenses. Ginger root has cleansing properties for the intestines, kidneys, and skin. Licorice is ideal for smokers who wish to quit from the habit, and it helps soothe the throat of both non-smokers and smokers. Preparing your homemade detox tea. You can buy the above ingredients in a store to make your own tea or follow these ingredients. To prepare, boil 2 quarts of water, ideally in the morning, to have a whole day supply. Add 1/4 tablespoon of whole cumin, 1/2 tablespoon whole coriander, 1/2 tablespoon whole fennel in the water and steep for 10 minutes, making sure it's covered. Then strain out the spices and pour into a container. Prepare a new batch of detox tea every day and dispose the unconsumed ones.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.